Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to draw a flamingo. Let's start by drawing a 7 and let's extend that to make it a beak. Yeah. Now let's draw sort of a question mark from one end of the beak and let's give a curve on the other side of the beak. Now we'll extend this as a long neck and give a curve. Let's extend the other side and give a curve and give the body. Give a bend basically. And then let's draw the feathers. And let's extend the other side and make it like a Y shape. Okay, so the flamingo has long legs. This is the bend of the leg. And it's standing in the water. You must be wondering, where is the other leg? So here it comes. Flamingo stands with one leg only. You know that? The other end of the leg for the standing leg is actually inside the water. So you don't have the details for that. So now it is done. Now let's draw a circle to make the eyes. And let's give some detailing for the eyes. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, let's give some details for the feathers. Nice feathers. And the flamingo stands in the water and it fishes in muddy waters. If you see in the countryside, you can see a lot of flamingos fishing in muddy waters in the lotus ponds or the duck ponds. So let's go ahead and draw some detailing. See the fish. Actually, the flamingo is going to eat the fish. The fish doesn't know that. It's just looking at the flamingo. Okay, let's draw some details. The flamingo normally is in the countryside, as said. So let's draw some mountains, some grass for the details. And let's make it really colorful. Ta-da-ta-da. Now this is near a banana grove. So let's draw the banana leaves. Now the detailing is done. Let's color it. And the flamingo will be done. Ta-da! The flamingo is ready now. Do try it at home and do give us your comment and say whether you're able to do it. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, bye-bye.